Hello there, pack your bags. Travel makeup content has been a continued theme on my channel for the past 5 years. It's a topic all of you seem to enjoy, so I thought I'd revisit an old video where I broke down my approach to packing a minimal makeup edit. This update might be handy if you have a short trip coming up or a weekend away and you want to slim down the beauty section of your bag. No palettes you could land a plane on or tools that take up a lot of space. I can bring a complete, fresh-faced, minimal makeup routine in just 5 steps by reaching for multitaskers. Skip the liquids. I'm sticking to more solid cream products so they can go in a carry-on if you're traveling with liquid restrictions. Stick products or pots ideally instead of anything too bulky. They're nice and slim to save space. And multitaskers so you can cover several categories with less items. I always follow this sort of packing formula but might add extra cheek, eye or lip options, but if I was challenging myself to bring as little as possible, these are the 5 steps I'd go for. An all-in-one complexion product, a tinted brow gel, multitasking cream colour that can be your blush, bronzer, eyeshadow or lip colour, a travel mini mascara, and a sheer buildable lipstick or tinted balm to vary the intensity and wear it a bit differently every time. For base makeup, an all-over skin fix sort of product can serve as a general complexion enhancer and concealer. If you have a favourite concealer, why not make it go a bit further? Clé de Peau is my ultimate high coverage but seamless creamy spot concealer. Serious splurge, but luckily you don't need much, so it lasts for years. On quick makeup days, I just pat a little extra on either side of my nose, maybe my forehead, and a little on my chin to knock back redness in those areas without needing to pack a separate skin tint or foundation. You could also look for a hybrid product that's meant to be 2-in-1, like Merit's The Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. This has been a favourite for me this year. It's not strictly foundation or concealer, but you use it as both. 20 shades, light to medium coverage, but always looks skin-like, and I love how easy it is to stripe on quick strokes anywhere you want to even out your complexion a bit and blend. Tinted brow gel next, so I can shape and tint my brows in one product. Glossier Boy Brow is reliable here, a bestseller for years, and one of the Glossier products I still repurchase even as other fresh-faced makeup brands have grown and have a larger presence in my routine. This pomade is creamy, so there's more tint to it than a really thin, watery gel. It has nice, comfortable, non-crunchy hold and is suitably small for travel. I'm also a fan of Charlotte Tilbury's Legendary Brows Gel. If you thought the Boy Brow spoolie was small, this one is called a Micro Precision Brush, really skinny and fine, so you can create a little more lift and brush through your brows to mimic natural growth patterns. The thinner spoolie picks up less product, so there's not as much tint left behind and it never looks heavy. For travel, I'm leaning into my beloved creamy multitaskers for cheeks, eyes and lips. Just go for a shade that you're comfortable colour blocking in a cohesive look across those areas. If you pick a more sun-kissed tone, it could also act as your bronzer, and a nice balmy, dewy formula will give your cheeks a sheen so you can skip highlighter. Trini London Lip to Cheek comes in 11 shades, spoilt for choice, obviously intended to be easy, creamy lip and cheek colour, but I'm always drawn to potential shadow shades too, like Freddie, a beautiful bitten berry that almost has some terracotta warmth to it. By the way, keep an eye on my Instagram at Matilda on Video for some exciting Trini action very soon. I use quite a few different blush sticks, they're ideal multitaskers, but Byredo's colour stick in Babby was my most recent purchase, a coral peachy pop. Comes in 19 shades with different finishes, all about easy multi-use application. This one has a matte finish, but it's lightweight, not drying, really easy to blend with fingers, tiny bit of shimmer, but not noticeable. Time to break out the travel minis, or even better, tiny points perk mascaras. Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes was one of my favourites last year and this year, but the tube is so chunky, I'm very glad it comes in a mini too. A show-stopping formula for a night out, or I back it off during the day. The wand is exactly the same as the full size, spiky sides to add length and flatter sides to pack on the volume. A formula I've enjoyed a lot over the years but survived solely on minis and points perks so far is Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara. Fluttery length, volume and definition, and a much bigger traditional round wand to play with. As worn by brand ambassadors Lily Collins and Zendaya, both featured in previous celebrity makeup bag episodes here. I usually want to pack feel-good lipstick shades and easy, buildable, everyday formulas that can be low maintenance or layered at night. I'm beyond a broken record about Bobbi Brown Crushed Lip Colour. They most recently appeared in my blotted lip look video. Soft matte, not drying, blotted looking straight from the bullet, effortlessly cool, always trust them for meetings or meals. Ruby is one of my top picks, a stunning deep red that you can build up or dab for a stained effect instead. A tinted balm I finally got my hands on. Only a few Mecca stores in Australia carry the NARS Soft Matte Tinted Lip Balm. So many of you mentioned this formula to me from the moment it launched. Sheer, blurred, blotted, lightweight, comfortable. Only a little powdery when you rub your lips together. Whiplash is a rusty nude. Perfect for autumn/fall. A couple of bonus baby items if you don't want to be quite so lean with your packing list. Face powder can be a bulky packaging product, so best to find a mini if you can. I love By Terry's Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, but I take the tiny pressed version with a built-in sponge instead. So cute. And if a separate eyeshadow colour is non-negotiable for you, stick to a shadow stick. They're lightweight, easy to smudge on. Laura Mercier Caviar Stick comes in lots of great colours and is really long wearing. Wherever you're travelling to, I hope this was helpful if you're looking for ways to streamline your makeup bag. Even if I had to stick to just those 5 elements, I've covered enough bases for a minimal full face. How do you pack your makeup when you go away? Are you a bring the whole bathroom cabinet overpacker, or do you enjoy trying to simplify your routine down to a few steps? Please share your approach, the steps you follow, and any products that are absolutely coming with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.